Hi kids, good morning. I am Mrs. Jayabhardi. Today we are going to see Standard 4 English Term 1 Unit 2 Book Back Exercise of My Hobbies. Page number 101. Let us understand. Match their hobbies. What is Rosie doing? Rosie is cycling. So you match with cycling. See the next picture. Who is he? Yes, he is James. He loves gardening. So you have to match with gardening. See the third picture. This is Meghalai. She is swimming in the well. So you have to match with swimming. Come to the next exercise. Choose the correct answers. First one, dash is a do it yourself kit. Option A, Amudan. Option B, Vinod. Option C, Arasan. Which is the correct answer? Yes. Option B, Vinod. So we have to circle answer B, Vinod. The second question, Rosie does a bicycle. Option A, rides. Option B, folds. Option C, swims. Which is the correct answer? Yes. Option A, rides. So we have to circle option A, rides. The third question, Raju loves dash. Option A, cycling. Option B, driving. Option C, cooking. Which is the correct answer? Yes. Option C, cooking. So we have to circle option C, cooking. Come to the third exercise. Answer the following questions. The first question, who sews the cloth? Yes, Alia sews the cloth. The second question, what does Meghalai do with elders? Meghalai swims with elders. The third question, how does Raju help his mother? Raju helped his mother by cleaning grains and cereals. He prepared a few simple dishes. The fourth question, what does a DIY kit refer to? A DIY kit refers to do it yourself kit. What is your hobby? My hobby is drawing and playing games. Okay kids, thanks for watching. Bye.